Are you struggling to keep your home's exterior looking fresh and beautiful? Let's talk about soft washing with Housewash PA, the go-to service in Chester Springs, Pennsylvania. Soft washing is a gentle cleaning method that combines low-pressure water and biodegradable solutions to clean your home without any damage. That's right, no harsh chemicals or high pressure here. What really sets Housewash PA apart, it's their owner-operated approach. You get personalized service that ensures your home is treated with the utmost care. Plus, their environmentally friendly solutions mean you can clean your home while keeping Mother Nature happy. And the results? Customers rave about the effectiveness in removing stubborn stains and mold, all while preserving their property's integrity. Who doesn't want that? So, if you're ready to enhance your home's curb appeal and value, reach out to Housewash PA today. Whether it's a free estimate or just answering your questions, they're here to help you maintain your home's beauty without the worry of damage. Don't wait. Visit their website and take that first step towards a cleaner home.